Well, for years, one of the most important parlor games at the Supreme Court has been, will Justice Anthony Kennedy retire or not? Rumors were rampant last year, and he did not retire. He didn't say anything about the subject. Rumors have been again rampant this year, and indeed today he hand-delivered a letter of resignation, of retirement, I should say, to President Trump at the White House. The focus will immediately switch now to President Trump's list of 25 potential nominees, assembled with the help of conservative groups such as the Federalist Society and the Heritage Foundation. And so we will have a long process by which the president will nominate a replacement, and we will have Senate confirmation hearings probably August or September, I'm guessing. The next term of the court begins October 1st, and President Trump would certainly like to have his second justice on the court by then. Justice Kennedy was President Reagan's third choice back in 1987-88 after his first two ran into some difficulty. He has turned out to be somewhat of a moderate Republican on the court, the swing vote in more cases than one can count. He's aligned with liberals on cases such as same-sex marriage and abortion and Obamacare. But this term, for instance, he was solidly with the court's other four conservatives right down the line in 13, no less than 13 5-4 decisions with the exact same lineup. So what is happening here is that the one of the five Republican president's nominees who is furthest toward the center, in essence the fulcrum of the Supreme Court, is retiring. And now President Trump will have the opportunity to name a fifth, much more solid conservative, which will give conservatives the advantage on the court potentially for years to come. You know, this won't be the end of it. Whether President Trump is president in 3 years or not, we have Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, a Democratic appointee who is 85, Justice Stephen Breyer, another Democratic appointee who is about to be 80, and there will be ample opportunity for Republicans, if they can somehow maintain the White House, to build on this newfound 5-4 solidly conservative advantage.